given 2 points. So you have 2 ordered pairs, and I want to calculate the slope. So 2 different ways to do this. First way is to just graph the points and figure out the slope from the line that you create. So first point is -4, 8. So I'm going to go to the left 1, 2, 3, 4, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My next point is -2, 6, so I go to the left 2, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there's my line. Looks like that. So I can tell just by looking at the graph that it's a negative slope because it's going down from left to right. So now I can calculate the slope from my graph. So I know that slope equals rise over run. So I'm going to count how far I go up and then how far I go over from one point to the next. So from this point to this point I go up by 1, 2, and then I go over 1, 2 as well. So I go, my rise is 2, I rise 2, and then I go over 2, and since I'm going to the left, right here, my number is negative. So my slope is 2 over -2, which simplifies to -1. 2 divided by -2 is -1. And again, we saw right away that our slope was negative, just from the shape of our line. So it makes sense to get a negative number here. So that's the first way to solve slope when given 2 ordered pairs here. The other way is to use the slope equation, which says that slope is equal to the change in y divided by the change in x. This is the delta sign here, it just means the change. And y over x because we do rise over run. So looking at these ordered pairs here, my y terms are 8 and 6. So I'm going to go 8 minus 6. And then my x terms are -4 and -2. So I'm going to go -4 minus -2. -4 minus -2. And it doesn't matter what order you choose. I could do -4 minus -2, or I could do -2 minus -4. You just have to keep it consistent between the x's and the y's. So up here I went 8 minus 6, so y1 minus y2. So down here I have to do x1 minus x2. Alright, so now we just simplify. 8 minus 6 is 2. -4 minus -2. We keep change, so change that to addition, change that to a positive. -4 plus +2 is -2. So again, we get 2 over -2 for our slope, which simplifies to, I'm going to write it down here, -1. 2 divided by -2, -1. So we use 2 different methods here to calculate slope from 2 ordered pairs. The first method was to graph the line and calculate the slope that way. The second way was to use the slope equation, the change in y over the change in x. Either way, we got the same answer.